So, the purpose of researching your keywords is actually finding those keywords that will bring you eventually a stable traffic to, for example, an article that will contain an affiliate link. The keywords that can accomplish that are what we call the winning keywords. These are the keywords that you're going to use to bring traffic into your affiliate marketing offers. There are 4 indicators that suggest that you have encountered a winning keyword. The first one is search volume. We want to find a keyword that has a medium or high search volume. Each group of keywords have different numbers when it comes to search volume. Let me explain this. Search volume is relative. For example, 10,000 monthly searches can be really high if we're researching mobile photography, but that same number could be really low if we're researching, let's say, weight loss or how to make money online. Keywords within a niche that is really crowded will tend to have really high search volumes. And this is what I mean when I say that it's relative. Do not compare search volumes across keywords from different niches. Set the standards of medium and high by analyzing the search volumes within each keyword group. Another decisive factor is competition. You really need to avoid those keywords with high advertiser competition. By competition, we simply mean the amount of advertisers that are running ads for that particular keyword. Most, if not all of the times, keywords with high advertiser competition are really difficult to rank for. This is simply because there are more people interested on that keyword. More people are paying money to rank their websites on search engines for that particular keyword. By picking keywords with low and even medium competition, we make sure that this keyword is less crowded and that we have a higher chance of ranking for it. Following the same line, the third factor is suggested bid. This metric reflects the amount you will have to pay in order for you to be able to get a click for a particular keyword. Again, this metric is an estimate. It's simply a suggestion of how much you would need to pay in order for you to guarantee that you would get a click for the chosen keyword. And the final factor is number of words. Remember, we're looking for medium or long tail keywords. So we need to make sure that the keywords that we're choosing actually have 3 words or more. I strongly suggest that you start by filtering according to number of words because it will shorten your list significantly. And these are the 4 elements that winning keywords have. On the next video, I will show you how I take these 4 factors and I actually apply them to my keyword list in order for me to find the keywords that I'm going to be using in the future.